In today's digital age, it's more important than ever for businesses and individuals to get their message out there. A well-crafted press release can be a powerful tool for attracting media attention, building brand awareness, and driving traffic to your website. It's an opportunity to control your narrative and share your story with the world. A press release is a direct line to journalists and publishers. It's a chance to get your news covered by reputable sources. A press release can announce a new product launch, a company milestone, or an upcoming event. It can also be used to share your expert opinion on industry trends. No matter the message, a well-written press release can help you reach a wider audience and achieve your communications goals. A press release is not just about getting your name in the news, it's about building relationships with journalists and establishing yourself as a credible source of information. When done right, a press release can be an invaluable asset to your marketing and PR efforts. A press release follows a specific format. Understanding the structure is key to creating a compelling and effective message. Let's break down the essential elements. Your headline is the first impression. It needs to be attention-grabbing and clearly convey the main point of your news. The subheadline provides a bit more context and detail, enticing the reader to delve further. The dateline indicates where the news is originating from, including the city. Your opening paragraph should summarize the news and answer the crucial who, what, where, when, and why. The body paragraphs expand on the details of your news, providing further context, quotes, and supporting information. The boilerplate is a short paragraph at the end that provides background information about your company or organization. Make it easy for journalists to reach you by including your name, email address, and phone number. Writing a compelling press release requires a clear understanding of your audience and your message. Here are some actionable tips to keep in mind. Journalists are busy. Get straight to the point and use clear, concise language. Ask yourself, why is this important? Your news should be timely, relevant, and interesting to your target audience. Incorporate quotes from key people in your organization to add credibility and human interest. Errors can damage your credibility. Double-check your grammar, spelling, and punctuation. After crafting your press release, it's time to get it in front of the right people. Here's how to maximize your reach. Services like PR Newswire and Business Wire can distribute your press release to a wide network of media outlets. Research relevant publications and journalists in your industry and send them personalized pitches. Don't be afraid to follow up with journalists to see if they received your press release and if they have any questions. Share your press release on your social media channels to reach a wider audience. Use relevant keywords in your headline and body text to improve your search engine ranking.